Okay, now what? So recursion finite times, matlab fixed time, 5 times only. So we are getting what? 5 times of okay. So now 5 times. So if I want to get the printout of 1000 times, simply you change this value as 1000. Okay, 1 to 1000. So if I want to get infinite times, infinite means loop will not be infinite times, loop will not be terminated. So that moment, see what happened, infinite times, we need to remove this one, what this printout statement, if black, no need of if black here. Okay, you keep this one comment, now you remove this brace here. So now this is only whenever method is called, okay, hello method, compiler comes here, it looks for this statement will be executed, no any incrementation here. Okay, now again method will be called and this will be printed. So again method will be called, this will be printed. So like that infinite times. So loop is going continuously. So you one thing what, this is the main class and this is what your method, and method not to be terminated here. Okay, method not to be terminated here. Okay, now because this variable no need here, you keep it in comment, static, this is declared one variable, it is set to 1, but nothing, it is not will be, it will not be considered only your class and class. This is what your okay, this is what your method, hello method, it is to be terminated. What, this method to be terminated here, you need to terminate this one. Okay, now try to understand what now what happened, your method, hello method will be repeated again and again, because there is no any fixed time. It is being continuously looped. Okay, it is called infinite times. How infinite times? Compiler, whenever you run this button, run, you click on this run Java, so compiler starts to execute. Compiler looks for the main method. Under the main method, whatever the lines of statement will be there, they will be executed. So now these will be put under comment section. Now method is called as a static class method because no any object is created. So this method is being called as static method. So now method, compiler looks for this method within this, now this line of statement under comment section. So this will not be executed. So only this is here. So it will be printed after that. This is also a counter is in comment section. So method, this is okay, it is being called. So again compiler here. So like that infinite times. So there is a countless. So one more thing I want to say, that it is called as class method. So if you want to call this method as object method, no, you need to create the object for the class. What is your class name? Your class name is recursion. So recursion object you need to create. Syntax is that first of all class name, then object name. Create any object name, any name you keep, XYZ, it doesn't matter. Simply if normally obj suitable value, suitable, suppose in programming class may have many objects. That moment, so due to overcome the confusion, suppose Rahul is an object, so obj Rahul. Suman is an object, obj Suman, like that. Here only one object I want to create, so there is no issue. So next new keyword compulsory, then class name again recursion, okay, bracket. Now close, terminate this one, semicolon. Now this is your default construction. This is a construction, it is a special method. I have made a class over constructor. What is the constructor role? So you refer from there. Okay, now your object is created. Now this method hello will be called with the class name. Okay, not object name, sorry, object name, obj dot. Okay, obj dot hello. So why it is giving error? That moment whenever you want to call this method, so it needs the static method hello from the recursion should be accessed in a static, because now you want to call this method as the object method, but you declared this method as a static method, means class method. So you need to put public keyword here, public keyword. So now what happened? Now the static method hello from the type should be accessed in a static. Okay, no issue. Now this is a static method, it becomes what, public method. So you want to access from here, no issue. Now whenever you want to access this method, so that value you need to pass some value here, that is 5. Okay, if you open this one, okay, the counter will be as it is. Okay, now it is what, now remove this 5 here, you compile this code, still it is giving error. What, where is this?